Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Emilita Ramat. I am 47 years old from Philippines. I am married. I have one child. She is 15 years old. I'm a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I have 6 years of experience as domestic helper. My previous employment was in Hong Kong from 2017 until 2019. My duties are to taking care of three children, ages 1 year old, 4 years old, and 9 years old. I have also experience in taking care a newborn baby in Qatar. My latest employment was in Saudi Arabia from 2024 until 2026. I took care of partially disabled elderly. I assist her in her everyday life routine like bathing, dressing, grooming, and toileting. I'm also the one who gave her medication. I'm patient and compassionate. I'm efficient in cleaning and maintaining cleanliness, including laundry and ironing. To my future employer, I promise to perform my duty with sincerity and honesty. Thank you.